Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you try to open Excel, Word or PowerPoint and get the message that they couldn't start last time, do you want to start in safe mode? Then watch this video for the solution. Now the solution for this is to open the relevant app in the safe mode through the run dialog. So we'll press the Windows and the R button together and we will get the run dialog. Now if it's for Excel, then I will type in excel.exe and space slash SAFE. And if it's for Word, then I will enter WINWORD.exe and press space slash SAFE. Or if it's for PowerPoint, then I will enter the command POWERPNT.exe space slash SAFE and I will press enter, and these will open the relevant apps in the safe mode once. If that doesn't work and if you're still getting that error once you reopen the app, then we can repair and reset Microsoft 365. For that, I will right click on the start button, go to settings, and then I will go to apps, installed apps, look for Microsoft 365, and then we'll click on the three buttons here, go to advanced options, and then we will click on repair till we get a check mark, and then we'll click on reset again till we get a check mark, and then open the relevant app. If this video helped you, then please subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.